We're at the Hilton in Alexandria Mark Center. Located mere minutes from downtown Washington, D.C., the Hilton in Alexandria Mark Center is a great place to base your stay. And did we mention it's pet-friendly? Cats and dogs up to 35 pounds can stay here for a nominal fee. And if yours is anything like mine, they'll love it here, as there is much to see, do, and explore. This Hilton property recently underwent a multi-million-dollar renovation for some of its convention rooms. We hear the guest rooms are next. There's a relaxed vibe here. We loved the comfy bed, easy Wi-Fi, in-room refrigerator, and plenty of outlets. Crabtree and Evelyn toiletries in the bathrooms were nice, and the view of Alexandria and beyond was definitely a highlight. It has all the Hilton perks too. Yep, there's a pool and a fitness room and lots of other wonderful Hilton amenities that you would expect to find at a property like this. But here are some of my favorite finds on site. Wait, there's an art gallery? A partnership with the Torpedo Factory Art Center translates into a private art exhibit right here in the lobby. A coffee shop, sandwich, and convenience market? So much more than just a coffee shop. The on-site convenience store has just about everything you need, whether you've got the munchies or maybe you forgot a little something. It's close enough to the city, but when you get here and realize that you actually do need a car, you can rent one right here. The lobby lounge is a popular hangout spot, and not only because this is the place where the action is. That's right, there is a delicious sushi restaurant to be found here. And then there's all of the beautiful natural scenery, which is almost unheard of in a DC area hotel like this. After a day of meetings or sightseeing, you and your pet will surely enjoy unwinding here at the Hilton Alexandria Mark Center.